Today we're going to be replacing the rear glass for this 2012 Camry. First thing you do is take out the panel. This you just yank out. Take out the two screws here. And I usually grab the panel from the bottom and just yank it apart. Then slide it out on top. Set the panel aside. Take out this weather strip. Plug the control back on. Go like the shield. Nope. Then you turn on the car, roll the window down to about this height. You take out these 4 bolts. You slide the regulator out of the way. And you take out these 2 bolts holding the track. Actually, it's easier to remove the track before you move the weather stripping. That's how I did it earlier. So now you have enough play. Oh no. So now you have enough play to move this over the window. Just push the window up. This is how you remove the corner glass for the rear door. You just move the track aside. You push the track. You slide the glass out. And there you go. That's how you replace it. And the reason why I'm doing it because my old door has tinted window, and I'm replacing the door, and I'm replacing the windows with my old ones. And yeah, just install everything, you know, in reverse, and you should be good. This is just gonna be a quick time lapse to install it back in. I'm gonna go time lapse. So. This right here putting the door panel, the door card back in is probably one of the hardest things that you would do in this whole job. If you guys didn't notice, the door has different trims. That's why I swapping them out. And now we just test it. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.